Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get BONELAB for free. This is available on MetaQuest VR and you can also get it on Steam as well. So these codes that I'm going to show you are digital game codes that you can redeem on either Steam or Meta, and it's going to basically get you BONELAB for free. And this is going to save you a bunch of money because I believe it's around $40 US. If you was to purchase the game, yeah, you can see it's around 40 US bucks. So let's get into the tutorial. This is working on MetaQuest VR. It doesn't matter which one you have. You can also do this on Steam as well. So you can grab these meta codes and it's going to be universally working. And this is going to get you a free copy of BONELAB. So you need to use a mobile and use your internet browser and go to www.robotcoupons.com. So type it like this, guys. Pause and copy this down if you need to. Robot coupons. Crucial you go to this website because this website hosts tons of different free games and free like promo codes and stuff. So go to the search bar at the top and search for MetaQuest, and you're looking for MetaQuest games and codes. Now this screen hosts a few different options for us. You can see the second one down, free game. It says get free BONELAB game code for MetaQuest. So this is going to get you a game code that you can redeem in the Meta store, and it is how to get BONELAB for free. So you need to unlock your personal code. As I showed you, these games are around $40 US. And these game codes are limited. So when you select your code, you will need to unlock it. And this takes a few seconds to load up a new screen. I'm going to cancel this. I've already got the game. I don't want to waste a code. It will take you about 5 minutes to go ahead and unlock your game code. Just follow the instructions, guys. It's super easy and, of course, completely free. I had to complete a couple of free tasks. They can be things like surveys or mobile games. And it will redirect you back to Robot Coupons, and whatever code you chose will now be fully unlocked. These stars will reveal your meta game code, and you can enter it for a free copy of BONELAB. So that is it. It is super easy. It does take about 5 minutes, but you are getting a $40 game, so I think it's worth it. Head on over to Robot Coupons, navigate your way to the MetaQuest games page, select the one you want, make sure you fully unlock your code, and enjoy. Smash the like button. Any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.